I see. There is a deer, maybe stag, but very, very far away from here. It's a beautiful morning back there. Okay, like this. Under here, river runs. And I'll go up here to the ridge today. I need a stag on the ridge today. I can have a panorama view. Like this. You know. What to say? Standard point of map making. I can see this point height if I had a map here, maybe around 300 meters above the sea level. Anyway, the highest point around here. Too far. Maybe 300 years or more. I have walked 3 hours from 5:30 to 8:44, 45. I had a single chance to meet a stag. It was running, noticing my approaching because of my loud stepping sound on the hard surface of the snow. Not very good season now, difficult season. I need to take a compromise to shoot a doe. It is the time for doe shooting, doe hunting. I need meat and I want to use my precious Bark River knives. So I look for a doe bunch. Go there, up north. Child deer is dead. It was a neck shot. Mother deer. I killed this one first, and the child stood still, just at the side of the mother. 2 deer kill. Anyway, it's a very beautiful day. I have very, very sweet Bark River knives for these 2 deer. Heavy hunter knife, blackjack. you know, this can be the last meat. Another one, small one, but this season, this can be the last hunt. So I needed to do it carefully. Fox River, short scales, old version, very comfortable. As I said, I'm doing it very, very carefully. Very, very important meat. Last meat this season. It can be choking up, full choking up. Very, very comfortable knife in the hand. Warm, very warm. I feel like this thicker side handle, kind of hand feeling, comfortable. You know, it's a pinch holding knife. They are pinch holding knife. This is too. So this thickness, no problem. Thick wood handle is better. My opinion changes from time to time. I'm sorry, but now I'm happy and I feel this handle is very comfortable. I'll show you this knife. Bushcrafter high grind. It can be my future top 5 Park River knives. I don't know if they make this grind. This grind is done by a professional knife maker, not Park River. I think, honestly speaking, Scandi grind is not very good. Oh, bloody. Okay, from this line. High convex is the best grind for hunting. I don't know about bushcrafting very much, but for hunting, Scandi is not very good. I cannot say the reason precisely here, but from my honest experience, high grind convex is the best grind. I don't compare these knives. I already know every single knife, 3 knives are great. I just enjoy 3 knives. This handle is very comfortable in the hand. Bushcrafter handle. Handle factor is large on the bushcrafter. You know, I don't hold this handle much. I don't hold this handle much too. Just supporting. But this handle is important. Bushcrafter handle is very, very nice. Very comfortable. Absolutely the best handle in my opinion. Maybe better than Gani handle. I have a Gani for the next small deer. I'll compare with Gani. Maybe this is better. This is not so sharp. This edge angle, apex angle, will be larger, maybe. More stropping, or I will need water stone. I don't know. Anyway, not very sharp. Now. But I know its basic geometry is very small, shallow. So just a little water stone sharpening will make it sharper. This is sharper, out of the box, factory edge, old Bark River. That Model 125 is new, this year version. In many cases, old Bark River is sharper. No micro bevel. But I'm determined to remove any micro bevels. I have good water stones, no problem. Basic geometry is nice, is important. Therefore, I don't care about Bark River's production flow at all. It can be my personal issue. It can be. I have many things to do. So, sharp knife and backup knife is always needed. 3V is very dependable always for a sharp backup. Backup knife is not a sub knife. Backup knife must be sharp. For the backup, I choose 3-way. These days, always. A2. Okay, but that brand new model 125 is not very good. I know it had a slight micro bevel, but I thought strapping would solve the problem. I was wrong. That M125 needs micro bevel removal after coming home. Knife is very important for hunting. I have classic drop point in Bogote. Its side holding is very nice. Thumb on the blade knife. It is. It has a very, very tender meat. For this job, Highland or this Loveless type small round belly, acute belly is better. Gani here. Gani is pretty nice. This holding, thumb on the side of the blade holding, pretty comfortable. This angular handle, no problem. But for this job, I'd like this classic drop point better, maybe. Careful removal is needed. Gani, not so different, but anyway, it's a very tender meat. Important backstrap. No problem. Gani is okay, and of course, classic drop point is okay. Classic drop point. Very nice for this careful technique. Gani. can be a bit shallow for this small game. It is efficient for this small game, small size child deer. Classic drop point. Loveless Hunter. It's a real hunting handle. Gani. Not wrong, but this portion angle is shallow. Angle is different. This bone angle deeper and shallower. So this portion Gani is nicer. Like this. Anyway, I like this loveless knife very much. Gani knife, no problem. Gani knife. It's a bushcraft knife and versatile. If you need bushcraft as well, in the same hunting tour, Gani is a nice knife. And for genuine hunting purpose, Loveless Hunter is a nice knife. I have both and completely satisfied with the both. I don't know if you need the both. Very comfortable bushcraft handle and nice for deer dressing, as you see it. Gani is a nice bushcraft hunting knife, absolutely. And this Loveless Hunter, shot wound, no good, is a genuine hunting knife. Neck shot, totally broken. So finished. Lastly, I will get the rib cage. Anyway, this is a genuine hunting knife, I think. This holding, not very stable, thin and wide. This handle, thick and narrow, very stable in this thumb on the spine holding. Very different. It's stable, more stable in this side holding. It's a genuine hunting handle in my opinion. This is the versatile hunting handle. I hope you can see it in this frame. Can you see that? It's a better bushcraft versatile handle. Not very stable in this holding. Side holding knife it is. I'd like to say the difference. Bushcraft hunting knife. It's a genuine hunting knife. Mission accomplished. Very dependable backup knife. High grind bushcrafter. It's a deer. Go. I don't shoot it anymore because I already have 2 deer meat behind. Enough. It is saying I can shoot it, but I don't need it. Hello, knife people. I like natto very much. I just came home just before. I like shochu on the rock. I just finished editing the field video of Bug River knives. This new Blackjack 125 edge sucks. It has a micro bevel, and my stropping did not solve its problem. New Bug River needs watching, need to be watched by me. I'm not bragging. I have a microscope or hunting experiences. Old Bug River is very sharp. Current Bug River need to be watched by an independent reviewer like I am. So I will continue to report how Bug River goes from now on. I'll have some new barkies next. I already ordered. So please expect my coming reviews. Hunting season will be over very soon. So just tabletop review. But I hope Bug River will come back like this one. Zero grind Bug River convex edge. I like it very much. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.